Next we'll be doing downward facing dog and upward facing dog. First, place your palms on the floor. Now raise your hip up. Now focus on bringing your heels closer to the floor. Walk your feet little forward if you want, and then press your heels down. Now engage your shoulder muscles. Bring your chest closer to your thighs. Hands are straight. The distance, there's shoulder distance width apart between your palms. Feet are placed hip width apart. Legs are straight, hands are straight. Engage your shoulder muscles. Tuck your chin in the final position like this. Make sure you're breathing slowly. Observe the muscles which are getting engaged. If you're finding it very hard, what you can do is, once you're in the final position, let the toes be in the same place. Walk your legs in the same place. Let me show you. Like this. You'll feel some stretch in your lower body. Exhale while bringing your heels down. You can do this 5 times and then stay in the final position. Make sure you're breathing slowly. From here we'll be going to upward facing dog. That is, you'll bring your pelvis down, open up your chest, look forward or look up. Make sure your knees are not touching the floor. Only your palms and your toes are touching the floor. None of your other organs will touch the floor. Open up your chest, hands are straight. Push your pelvis down, feel that stretch in your back region. Be aware of your pelvic joint and the muscles around it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now from here you'll come to Shashankasana. That is, toes are pointing back. Place your hip on your feet. Forehead on the floor. Relax in the final position.